Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. So today we will discuss mathematics sample question paper standard case study based 4. So already we discussed 3 case studies. So today we are going to discuss case study 4. So here we have the question: 100-meter race, a stopwatch was used to find the time that it took a group of students to run 100 meter. So we have the question time in seconds and number of students. அதாவது 100 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு ரன்னிங் ரேஸ் காம்படிஷனில் வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 8 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து 0 to 20 செகண்ட்குள்ளே ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் 20 to 40 செகண்ட்குள்ளே நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து 10. லைக் தட் only they have given the data here. Now let's go to the options what we have to calculate actually here. So here we have the first option: estimate the mean time taken by a students to finish the race. So we have to calculate the mean. So we have mean formula summation fx. Here I have written. This is the data in the question I have taken, and here we have the number of students also. Let's write here. So 0 to 20 seconds, 8 students, 10 and 13, 6 and 3. So 80 to 100 seconds, 3 students taken to complete the race. Okay. So we have the formula here. Mean. There are 3 formulas to find out the mean. In that I'm taking a direct method formula. So direct method formula summation f into x by summation f. Okay, so let's calculate that summation fx and summation f value. Before that we have to calculate first x value. X is nothing but the mid value, okay, or we can say a class mark. Let's find out first x, then we can calculate the fx. So to find out x, we have the formula upper limit plus lower limit by 2. This is the formula to calculate the class mark. Okay, add this 2 and divide by 2. So 0 plus 20 by 2, you will get 20 by 2. If you cancel, you get 10. So likewise, you can calculate all the numbers. Then 20 plus 40 by 2, 60 by 2 you will get. If you divide, you will get 30. Like if you apply all these formulas, then you will get your 50, then 70, and then here you will get 90. Okay, so you got the x value. Now let's find out fx. Fx means f into x. So f frequency, this only second column whatever is given, this is the frequency, and it's given in the groups. This we can call as a class interval, we will say, or we can say groups also. Class interval, and this is the frequency. So f is there, x we already calculated. Let's multiply 80 into 10, 80. Then here you will get 300. Here you will get 650, and here you will get 420, and here you will get 270. Now we have to calculate summation fx, because the formula is c, x bar equal to summation fx by summation f. Add all the fx. Fx is there, when you add you will get summation fx. If you add all the frequency, you will get summation f. So this is the summation f, and this is the summation fx. Calculate and then apply to the formula. See, when you add all this, you will get 1720, and when you add all the frequencies, you will get 40. So you know summation fx value and summation f value. Just apply to the formula. So 1720 by 40. 0 0 cancel, 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, 1 4 3s are 12. So therefore x bar equal to 43. Means the mean answer we got 43. So here we have the option number 3 is correct. So therefore option 3 correct. Okay, let's see the second option. Second option we have here: what will be the upper limit of the model class? So we have to calculate the model class upper limit. Actually, when we are finding the mode, we have to calculate the model class. How will we choose model class? Highest frequency is the model class. See, in the frequency highest is 13 only, then this will be the model class. Okay, in this model class they are asking, see, what will be the upper limit of the model class? Upper means greater number. Say in this the upper limit is 60. So 60 is the model class. Here we have the option number 3. So for the B option number 3. Correct. Okay. Now we will see option C. The construction of cumulative frequency table is useful in determining the. So cumulative frequency where we find, in median topic only. Okay. So to find out median only we use the cumulative frequency table. So here we have the option number 2. For the C, option number 2. Correct. To finding the median only we use the cumulative frequency table. Then option number D. The sum of lower limits of median class and model class. So model class already we found, it is there. This is the model class. Now we have to calculate the median class. In both the classes they are asking sum of their lower limits. So let's calculate now median class. To find out median class we have to construct the CF, means cumulative frequency. We have to calculate. So short form I can use here, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency how to find out? It's a repeated addition. First number let us take directly and then cross addition. This 10 and 8, 18. Then 13 and 18, 31. Then this 37. Then you will get 40. So this is the cumulative frequency. And to find out the median class, already you know how to find out median class. N by 2 value where lies in cumulative frequency. Sorry. Here n means nothing but summation of f. Summation of f by 2 value we have to check in a cumulative frequency. There the median class we will get it. Summation f value already we got here. Summation f value how much? 40. 40 by 2 if you divide you will get 20. So 20 where it lies in the cumulative frequency, in 31 20 will be there. So this is the median class. So let's draw here. Straight draw panikalam. So model class, median class rendume same da varudinga. Now in this they are asking sum of their lower limits. Sum of their lower limits. See model class lower limit on the 40. Median class same da adil lower limit on the 40. Sum add பண்ணும்போது 80. So 80 we have option number 3. So for D option number 3 is correct. Okay. Next last question we have here. How many students finished the race within 1 minute? 1 minute குள்ள வந்து எவ்வளவு ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ரேஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படினு நீங்க இந்த டேபிளர் காலம் பார்த்தாலே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். This is the time. Time வந்து எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா seconds the given. They are asking in 1 minute. We know 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. அப்போ 60 seconds குள்ள எவ்வளவு ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. இது மூணுமே வந்து நமக்கு வந்துரும். This we cannot take. This is 60 and above only. 60 and below வந்து இந்த 3 groups தான் வரும். அப்போ 1 minuteல எவ்வளவு ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் இது பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 13 31 students. Of option number E வந்து 31. Option 3 is correct. Okay. 31 பேர் வந்து 1 minuteல அந்த ரேஸ் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அதை வந்து டேபிளர் காலம்ல நம்ம எடுத்துக்க போறோம். ஏன்னா 60 கீழ இருக்குது இந்த மூணு குரூப். அது ஃபுல்லா வந்து 1 minute குள்ள வந்துரும். Okay. Hope that you understand. Thank you so much for watching. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. Next video we are going to discuss few important questions in all the chapters. Thank you.